to honing the skills is commendable. The faculty development program organized by IFS Academy reflects our commitment to provide us with the tools necessary to thrive in an ever-evolving education landscape. So, as we embark on this journey of professional development, it is essential to participate actively, share your insights, and forge meaningful connections with each other. This program is not just an opportunity to acquire new skills, but also Kiran Babu sir, HOD of Aeronautical Engineering. Now the felicitation will be done by Sanos.
They put it into NEP. So now it is a force for everybody that you should have skills so that these skills can be imparted to the students. If you look at the NEP recommendations, you will find that the entire thing is skill oriented. And if you go further detail into that, then you will find that the NEP recommendations are more or less or fetched from the education system of Finland. The Finland education system is newly instigated as another state. Of course, but then it will took the Chhattisgarh a long journey to reach from skills level at national level state in the state from 27th to 6th position. So why everybody is insisting on the NEP implementation is already pilot experiment is been done. We are not aware. Chhattisgarh is the pilot experiment for NEP implementations. The name was different. It was collaboration with the Finland government, Finland education system, with the Chhattisgarh professionals from the secretary in the ministry Mantralaya to the teachers. They have sent many teachers to Finland for observation of the system. So if we have skills, we can change so many things. We are meeting almost a decade after. Yes, 10 years back we were associated with some of the project when I was in Sanjeevani Panala. And his colleague and resource persons, I welcome them. I congratulate to the department for conducting this kind of the activity, and definitely this SolidWorks software.
So that we are reaching each and every college, the faculty, and to ensure that they all are coming in good numbers. The agenda for arranging a faculty development program is basically now this college, even other colleges who have been adopted Dassault Systemes SolidWorks and 3DEXPERIENCE technologies. The main issue is that most of the colleges, the faculty are not trained on the tools, and that's why they are not able to transfer the knowledge to the students. Many of us, you are already working on some CAD tools, maybe AutoCAD, SolidWorks, older versions, or Creo or CATIA. But what is happening in the industry right now in terms of the technology, like everybody is now moving to a cloud platform. So similarly, 3DEXPERIENCE is one of the biggest transition that is happening in the industry in terms of the CAD/CAM CAE market. And that's why when we actually intended to have this kind of a technology change happening in industry, it has to go through in academics also. So that's why you might have seen in the agenda also that the Dassault Systems people are also participating in such kind of an academic initiatives. Otherwise, they are only focusing on commercial segment because that is where they get the sales revenue and not in academics. Now, let's come back to the academic scenario, what we have been of India. So before COVID, you might be aware that most of the mechanical engineering admissions were at the top, and we are equally competing with information technology and computer engineering. When we had COVID, after that suddenly there was a decline in the number of mechanical engineering admissions across Maharashtra in various sectors in various engineering colleges. We don't only focus on one particular college, we work across various sectors of engineering colleges geographically. So what we observed that there are tier 1 colleges which basically kept on focusing on the branches till the numbers were low. So like even though the number of admissions were less in mechanical engineering, they did not stop any investment. They kept on hiring good faculty they kept on investing on the laboratory. Though in those period of times their number of admissions were less, okay, they kept on increasing it year on year. And on the same lines, there were other institutes, their management and the head of the departments or whoever are the decision authorities, what they thought is that as there are no admissions happening to mechanical, let's stop complete investment on mechanical, let's only focus on computer science. So eventually that small impact was that these colleges were able to focus on computer and IT admissions, but their mechanical or core civil engineering admissions got down. But the other colleges who kept on investing and enhancing their labs and faculty, their numbers were really good and they were able to achieve 100% admissions for mechanical engineering, wherein other colleges hardly 3-4 admissions were there for mechanical. So the intention behind informing all these activities is the placements. Now placements, mostly everybody is focusing on computer and IT placements, but there needs to be a hard work done from core engineering branches to ensure that the placements are happening in this kind of an industry. And if we have to place students in our core industry, there is the only way out which can happen is your skill enhancement. So you have to identify what are the skills required by the industry, and accordingly you have to modify your curriculum or maybe teach them additional.
Good afternoon. This is Professor K.D. Joshi from Dassault Institute of Engineering and Technology. I am working there in Mechanical Engineering Department as an assistant professor, and I am here at ADCET Ashta for attending a workshop sponsored by Dassault Systemes and IFS Academy Pune. As far as the FDP is concerned, so far the events are quite impressive and successful, and the trainers over here and all of the volunteers are quite helpful, and I think tomorrow also we have some sessions. So I think entirely this workshop is going to be very helpful for our faculty members. I have 3 other faculty members from my department with me, so we all 4 are experiencing a very good thing. And as far as the software in particular is concerned, we are quite conversant with the SolidWorks, but the way they are teaching and imparting the training on software is concerned, it's very quite excellent and brilliant. We are here because we recently have purchased SolidWorks 2024 edition along with 3DEXPERIENCE package, education edition from IFS Academy Pune. In this regard, I am very much thankful to Mr. Samir Latkar and Vikram Jadhav for helping us for this endeavor at Annasaheb Institute of Engineering and Technology in my own lab, CAD/CAM lab of Mechanical Engineering Department. So I am very much happy and looking forward for same sort of cooperation from IFS Academy as well as Mr. Samir Latkar and Vikram Jadhav in any of the technical endeavors organized at our institute. Thank you very much.
Hi, this is Sultan, HOD and Assistant Professor, Aerospace Engineering Department from Shivaji University. Actually, this section arranged by that IFS Academy as well as with Annasaheb Dange, Engineering College of Technology. So it was a nice section. So it will be knowing to that the SolidWorks modeling and as well as that flow analysis regarding that. So I request all that institutions to go through that project. So that license is very important to every institutions. So I request all that institutions please purchase this the license software. The faculty development program arranged by that IFS Academy with sponsor of Dassault Systemes and Annasaheb Dange Engineering College Technology, Ashta. So that faculty development program is a very good program to that all the faculties to develop the skills, especially in SolidWorks. The hands-on training is a very important thing to develop the skills in the SolidWorks. That the IFS Academy to give this opportunity to attend the FDP program. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Kiran Babu, Head of the Department of Aeronautical Engineering at Annasaheb Dange College of Engineering and Technology. We are co-hosting this faculty development program on SolidWorks and 3DEXPERIENCE at ADCET Ashta in association with IFS Academy Pune. This workshop is organized in keeping the purview of New Education Policy 2020, where more focus is given on vocational and skill-oriented courses. We have been using this tool of SolidWorks from academic year 22-23 onwards as a part of our regular curriculum, and our students have used the tool and have given a very positive feedback. This FDP is arranged keeping in mind that the more awareness on this tool should be given to all faculty members in and around Shivaji University and to make this grand success. Thank you all for participating in this FDP. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Professor Khoth from BATU College of Engineering. I am working as Assistant Professor in Mechanical Department. I am attending here SolidWorks 2024 program organized by Dassault Systemes Pune in ADCET Ashta through IFS Academy. So this program includes modeling, FEA, CFD and multi-body dynamics, that is kinematics. So such program is very useful for faculty of engineering institutes, and the faculty should get such knowledge. So this will be helpful for the institutes because such faculties will transfer this knowledge to their students, and if the students get such opportunity or hands-on for modeling, analysis and optimization techniques, so this will make these knowledge to the students job ready. So this will helpful to increase the placement of the institutes. So I think such programs should be arranged in every institute of engineering, institutes. So that will be helpful to the faculty as well as students. Thank you.
Faculty Development Program on Dassault Systemes SolidWorks by Infinite E-Learning Solutions Private Limited. During this workshop, I learned and gone through different analysis, FEA, CFD program, also solid modeling program, and some hands-on practices. Really, as head of mechanical department, I would like to suggest all the faculty and students, you can go through this. It's very demanding and we can improve employability of our institute. Especially, I would like to mention, if you want to improve the admission and scenario of mechanical engineering, this is very important to enrich and to add the value of mechanical engineering students. So once again, I request to all of you. Also, I would like to give thanks to team members of Dassault Systems. Thank you very much.